Luxury Diva Day. Let's see what we got. Here's a list. They used to have pictures. They don't anymore. It says total value $113, and it's Luxury Diva's a $30 a month subscription box of accessories. Okay, on top we have a scarf that I'm getting a little tired of scarves. This actually goes with what I'm wearing though. It's got some purple in it and I'm wearing purple, so it goes okay. Here's some silver. Oh, let me see how much this is. It says this is velvet, black vintage velvet, floral velvet scarf. It doesn't look black to me, it looks more purple, but whatever. I think it goes with this top, okay. These earrings are $20 value. I'm going to give those away. I don't have pierced ears. This is kind of pretty. I might keep this. It's depends on how long the chain is. It looks like it's pretty long. I don't like short chains. It's looks like a stone, and then it says hope. So that's kind of nice. It's kind of funny that they put a gold necklace and the silver earrings. That's kind of odd to me. You'd think they'd put both the same. Necklace, it says, is also $20. Here's a super soft. It's made by John and Anna. Oh, this is cute. It's a gray top with buttons down the front. This looks like this would fit. I may not try it on. I'm lazy. Maybe I will. This would also go with this. This is lip gloss in 2 flavors, not flavors. One's rose and one's cucumbers, maybe. I don't wear lip gloss much. This may go in my... I've got a 300 subscriber giveaway going on right now till next Friday, so go back and watch that video and enter. That may get added to it. I think this is definitely going to get added to it because I don't care for this kind of thing. It's like a backpack cross, but it's a crossbody bag. I would never use this. So I'm going to see if I can fit all the goodies inside it and then put it in a box. So this would be an add-on, and this would be an add-on to my giveaway. Or maybe I'll start a new giveaway. I need to start another stuff for another giveaway. Maybe I'll save this for next time and this for next time. I don't know. This is, let's see, I forgot to give you the prices on these. The shirt was $27. I like the shirt. The black crossbody sling bag with zippers, $20. And the lip glosses are $9. I didn't really like much of any of this. This I won't use, this I won't use, this I won't use. This I thought was kind of cute, and this is kind of cute. So these 2 things out of however many is in here. Oh, and there's some gum in here, and I'm not a gum person, so I'll give that away too. I usually love Luxury Diva, but this time it just was a miss for me. I mean, I'm not saying it wasn't good stuff. Oh, and the scarf. I forgot the scarf. So, I don't know if I'll keep this or not. I have a bunch of scarves I hardly ever wear, so this may go in a giveaway too. I don't know, it doesn't open very far. You couldn't use it as like a shawl. It's just this wide. But it is kind of velvety. So, might be lots of giveaways. I love Luxury Diva. It's my favorite lifestyle box. It just didn't make it for me this time. But we got a scarf, a necklace, lip gloss, earrings, a bag, and a top, all for $30. So this is probably worth $30 all by itself. Hope it fits. I think it's kind of cute with the buttons on it. We'll try it on. I'll let you know. Oh, come on. What do you think? It's kind of cute. Goes with this scarf. It's like a man's tie like that. That's better. I like it more of the circle around the neck. I think this is too clingy. It clings a little bit, but it's not too bad. This might be the one thing I keep out of the box. I mean, not that like it's in the bag, but yeah, you can't really send anything back from Luxury Diva, so if you don't like it, you just give it away like I'm gonna do. I also got, and I'll do a video on this later in the week, this is Diva bag by Sonia, so it's Diva Day today. I got in the mail. I'm going to send a box. This is what I have so far. Ugh, let me get it. To a young college friend of my granddaughter's best friend, so I'm sending her. She loves these things that are mystery things where you add water and this blooms into a doll or something. She loves that kind of stuff, so kind of silly, but I'm giving it to her anyway. This is one of those, if you've never heard of them, they're called diamond dots, and they're these little pieces of like glass almost, and it makes a picture. See, it's a mesh, and it's like a paint by number, but with little beads. I forget exactly what this says. It's got black background with dragonflies in purple, and then it says something about faith over fear or something like that. And then I found these. I thought these looked interesting. They're Hershey's Kisses lava cake, and it like oozes goo out of the middle, and it's got hearts on the packaging, the wrapper part. And then Reese's peanut butter heart, and then this I got. I was gonna save it and give it to you guys, but I decided to give it to her. It's a it's Champagne Kisses by Bibella. That's it, Bibella Cosmetics, and it's a very pretty eyeshadow palette. And I may give her something out of either the Luxury Diva or the Diva Bag by Sonia box too. So I'm filming these on Sunday because I'm going to send this box on Monday, but these probably won't go up Sunday. But I'm filming them on Sunday because I want to show you guys what's in them before I start giving the stuff away. She's up in Wisconsin in school. She's probably freezing her hiney off. They're getting a bunch of snow up there. For y'all that are up in the Northeast and Midwest, I feel for you. It's kind of chilly out today. It's really pretty and sunny, but it's super windy, so it makes it feel colder. But yesterday it was 72. Sorry, don't mean to rub it in. So what do you think? Was that good stuff for my college girl? Oh, I think I'll give her the juicy fruit too. Why not? So I'll probably put this up on Tuesday, and this one on Thursday or Wednesday or Thursday, because Monday's Mask Monday, and Friday's my clean out my closet Friday day, so I need something for the middle of the week. So this will probably go up Tuesday.